You tired of cat trees that look sturdy but wobble the moment your large cat leaps on them? Don't worry, we've got you covered with top picks built to support big, playful paws. Today, I'm going to be going over the best cat tree for large cats that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Globlazer F70 Pro, a cat tree engineered to support large, agile feline athletes with stability. From the moment you unbox it, the aesthetic cues hint at premium materials and thoughtful engineering aimed at cat owners seeking longevity. Its frame weighs around 25 pounds, balancing sturdy construction with floor stability on carpets, hardwood, and uneven surfaces. The build quality utilizes reinforced posts, scratch-resistant fabric, and a modular design that snaps together without tools. Its overall footprint measures 32 by 28 inches with a height of 54 inches, optimized for spacious rooms. The climbing towers incorporate textured sizzle scratching posts and plush carpeted platforms that resist flattening under heavy use by multiple cats. All cushions utilize removable, machine-washable covers and integrated removable toy hangers, offering easy cleaning and added interactive play. On the performance side, the tree remains stable during vigorous jumps thanks to counterbalance base and non-slip feet that grip various floorings. In real-world testing, a trio of large cats demonstrated confident perching and rapid climbing with no wobble after multiple weeks of use. The scratching posts show slight wear after heavy clawing yet still retain firmness and grip, indicating durable post material and stitching. Compared to the Megatree Top Titan 120, the Globlazer F70 Pro offers better edge support and simpler modular assembly. The pros include exceptional stability, durable construction, and easy modular assembly that makes setup quick and scalable for evolving spaces. The cons include higher price compared to budget trees and heavier weight that can complicate relocation. In long-term testing, the Globlazer F70 Pro maintains shape and integrity even after repeated dismounts, proving value for multi-cat households. For large cats and busy households, the Globlazer F70 Pro delivers durable design, stable performance, and lasting play value. At number 4, we have the Globlazer FC50. From the moment you unbox, the Globlazer FC50 signals sturdy craftsmanship and a family-friendly footprint designed for multi-cat households. It targets households with active cats needing vertical space, scratching surfaces, and quiet lounging zones away from furniture. Its modular design integrates plush platforms, sisal posts, and a wide base, presenting as furniture quality rather than a simple cat toy. The base footprint is broad, minimizing tipping risks when large cats rush onto higher perches during vigorous play. The frame uses reinforced panels and corrosion-resistant hardware that promise stability even with energetic jumps and claws maintaining grip. Overall dimensions fit typical living spaces, with a tall multi-level profile that balances height and footprint for a balanced room presence. Standout features include a textured plush climbing surface, multiple lounging perches, and sizzle posts that invite natural scratching without damaging furniture. A built-in ramp allows easy access to higher platforms, while plush cushions provide cushioning that reduces stress during long cat naps. It uses natural sizzle ropes and synthetic fabric that resist fraying and clean easily with damp cloth for busy households. In real-world testing, cats quickly claimed the higher perches, showing confidence and improved nesting behavior after a few days. Owners praised the reversible upholstery option and easy cleaning, noting minimal shedding and stains wiped away with a damp microfiber. Durability tests demonstrated steady performance after repeated climbing simulations, with the base remaining flat and the posts showing no loose joints. Compared to the Whiskerworks Summit 65, the Globlazer FC50 offers more levels and a sturdier base, albeit at a higher price. The pros include excellent stability, spacious platforms, and durable sizzle posts. The cons include heavier weight and higher price. At number 3, we have the Yaheetech Multi-Level Cat Tree, a robust vertical playground built for energetic households seeking climbing and scratching outlets. From the packaging to the first assembly steps, the Yaheetech unit exudes a sturdy, apartment-friendly footprint while inviting compact living spaces. Its target audience clearly includes households with multiple cats or young kittens needing exercise and safe elevated retreats. The construction employs a layered plywood frame with durable coverings and wrapped posts, creating a solid feel that rewards assembly and routine use. Its dimensions strike a helpful balance between height and footprint, offering tall perches without overwhelming smaller rooms today. The base features a broad, sturdy platform and reinforced joints to minimize wobble during rapid cat movements daily. Materials include sizzle-wrapped posts and plush carpet surfaces that resist fraying while inviting pets to scratch and lounge. Key features include multiple counting levels, cozy cubbies, and perches of varying heights to accommodate cats of different ages and preferences. Design-wise, the threaded connectors and bolt pattern promote sturdy assembly while remaining user-friendly for DIY enthusiasts. Sisal rope diameters and platform textures provide consistent grip, reducing slips when large cats launch themselves between levels. During testing, the tree supported 2 adult cats simultaneously with minimal wobble, demonstrating reliable stability during playful tussles and high jumps. Climbing efficiency improved as cats learned the layout, with frequent users quickly choosing higher perches for observation and rest. In terms of wear, plush fabrics show resilience after weeks of scratching and lounging, with easy surface cleaning and spot treatment. Compared to a GoPet Club 72-inch unit, the Yaheetech offers a more compact footprint without sacrificing vertical play opportunities. The pros include sturdy frame, ample perches, and easy to assemble. The cons include heavy weight and limited color options. At number 2, we have the Globlazer S72. From the moment you unbox the Globlazer S72, its poised stance signals premium quality for multi-cat homes. Its footprint measures about 32 by 20 by 12 inches, a compact yet sturdy base that anchors the entire structure. Targeted at households with multiple cats or enthusiastic climbers, this unit promises engaging enrichment while preserving floor space with thoughtful geometry. The frame uses reinforced posts and stitched fabric, ensuring it withstands paws, claws, and vigorous leaps without wobble or creak. The vertical columns are padded with dense foam and wrapped in durable upholstery that cleans easily after fur shedding and playful accidents. Carpeted platforms feature natural sisal scratching surfaces and reinforced cloth rails, providing inviting texture that encourages healthy scratching rather than furniture damage. The S72 ships in modular panels that snap together with simple guides, allowing fast assembly and future reconfiguration as your cat's needs evolve. 3-tier platforms provide varied vantage points, while a tall central post offers a scratch-friendly avenue for vertical exploration during playtime. Its modular design with optional add-ons lets you tailor the S72 to your cat's personalities and your living space. In practical tests, 2 average-sized cats climbed confidently, showing stable footing on every platform and smooth transitions between levels without tipping or squeaks. During extended play, surfaces remain cool to touch and fabric-resisted matting, though deeper nesting could benefit from occasional fabric refresh. Compared with the Velocipaws Mega Tree, the Globlazer S72 delivers superior stability and easier cleaning during daily use. The pros include heavy-duty construction, easy assembly, and ample height. The cons include bulky footprint and higher price than basic trees. At number 1, we have the Globlazer S65. From the moment you unbox it, the Globlazer S65 presents itself as a premium option for multi-cat households. Its target audience clearly includes large cats and households seeking durable, high-climb structures that resist tipping and wear. Owners prioritizing easy maintenance, pet safety, and long-term value will appreciate the thoughtful design across this model. The build quality combines a dense MDF core with reinforced joints and a premium fabric blend, ensuring stability and long-lasting resilience. Its dimensions spread widely across a 5-level design, creating multiple perches, condos, and scratching posts without crowding floor space. We also see reinforced vertical supports and high-density carpeting, which contribute to a premium tactile experience for cats during long play sessions. The S65 uses premium memory foam cushions on lounging platforms and stitched corners to resist sagging under daily use. Its 5-level ladder system includes curved ramps and carpeted steps that reduce stress on joints during climbs. The perches include removable washable covers and integrated washable liners to simplify cleaning after messy feline antics during daily use. In homes with 2 to 3 large cats, the S65 holds steady during energetic jumps, pounces, and perching without tipping. During vacuum-friendly cleaning sessions, the unit resists wear, maintaining platform integrity and fabric sheen after months of daily use. Assembly time averages under an hour with clearly labeled sections and a helper video, ensuring beginners overcome first-time setup friction. Compared to the Cat Haven Elite 2, the Globlazer S65 offers stronger stability, easier assembly, and noticeably richer materials. The pros include exceptional stability due to anti-tip engineering, easy and quick assembly experience, and highly washable, durable covers. The cons include higher price and heavier footprint, which may deter budget-conscious buyers looking for a space-efficient solution.